Hi and welcome to the Write channel, the channel for writers who want to improve their craft. My name's Nicola Monaghan and I'm a prize-winning novelist and scriptwriter, and I've taught creative writing for nearly 15 years. This channel is packed with tips and hints for getting started, as well as guidance on planning, writing and polishing your work. I'll be posting weekly videos, sometimes as part of longer courses and sometimes standalone. Learn how to plan and write that novel, or how to write great short stories, or about the ways that stories are structured and how to use that in your writing.
As well as lots of bonus content, tips and hints from me about how to get better at writing. There's also the odd video featuring some very famous faces. So please subscribe to my channel at the link here for more hints, tips and creative writing lessons, and hopefully see you in the next one. Thanks a lot, bye!